Okay, I'm going to show you today how you can start dropshipping on eBay step by step. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a fully functional dropshipping store, just like this person right here. See, what they're doing is they have this product listed for sale on eBay. It's this cake carrier, right? And what's really cool is that if you were to purchase this from this person here on eBay, all they're going to do is turn around and buy the exact same item for less money from Walmart.com and have Walmart ship it directly to you. That way, it is completely hands off for them. They don't have to store any inventory or actually worry about shipping at all. And in fact, there's actually software I'm going to show you in a few minutes that can automate all of this. Now, the big question on everyone's mind is, isn't the customer going to get angry when this item that they ordered from eBay shows up on their doorstep in a Walmart box or maybe an Amazon box if you're drop shipping from Amazon? And we'll talk about how to fix that in a few moments, but let's first get set up with this entire system. So the first thing you're going to have to do is obviously have an eBay account. Now, if you already have an eBay account, great, you can use that one. But if you don't, head on over here to ebay.com, come over to the top left where it says register, and go ahead and register for an account. Now, if it gives you the option, you definitely want to choose what's called a business account. It doesn't cost money to have a business account, but it comes with some additional benefits. Primarily, the biggest one is that if you sign up for a business account, eBay is more likely to give you higher limits on your account. You see, every account on eBay has what's called a selling limit. It's a number of items that you can list up for sale and sell on ebay.com every single month. So the higher the limits are, the better. Now, in the past, limits used to be a big hindrance for new sellers. eBay used to keep the limits very low. Increasingly, for whatever reason, they're giving new sellers higher and higher limits. So this isn't something that you probably have to worry about, but it is just better to sign up for a business account. Now, I won't walk you through this entire process. You can pause this video and go ahead and actually go through the registration process. Just give them all of the information that they're asking for. Make sure it's accurate because sometimes they do verify it. Now, some of you might be stuck right here. You may be saying to yourself, why should I be dropshipping on eBay? After all, isn't Amazon the big place that we should be dropshipping onto? Isn't that the biggest e-commerce platform out there? And while it is true that Amazon is definitely a lot bigger than eBay, Amazon is a notoriously difficult website to sell on. They're really strict with all their rules and all their metrics and their shipping time. They're not very friendly towards dropshippers at all. So it is a difficult website to dropship onto. Most of the people that I know end up getting shut down on Amazon for dropshipping. So especially in the beginning, I would definitely avoid it. There are other places you can dropship as well, websites like TikTok Shop, I should say. This is a great place to dropship, but choose one. In the beginning, you want to be choosing one, start with that, and then you can branch into other systems. And you're watching this video, eBay is a really fantastic place to start. Very, very beginner friendly. They're very lax on their rules. So you can mess up and it will be okay. They give you some grace in there. So for beginners, eBay is a fantastic place to start selling. And what I also love about it is that you can automate so much of your dropshipping business when you're dropshipping onto eBay. This is the software I use to automate my dropshipping store. It's called AutoDS. And what I love about this is that this can not only help you find products, but you can add them into your store using the software. So you don't actually have to copy everything from Walmart here and paste it into eBay. It can do that for you. It can also automatically order items for you as orders come in and just helps you with so much. Now, this is the first piece of software I use. The second is called Zeek Analytics. Zeek is actually what I use to find my products because this is just really, really powerful stuff. It really gives you a ton of data on what products are selling well on eBay. Now, before I show you how I use both AutoDS and Zeek together to find and add products to my dropshipping store, I do want to let you know that I've put together a guide for you that goes over all of the software that I recommend for dropshipping because I know it can be quite confusing. I've already mentioned two of them, and there are some other software I use as well. So if you just want to get that free guide, you can grab it at the first link in the description down below. You might as well just check it out because it is free, so make sure to grab it at the first link below. But let me actually show you now. I'll walk you through how I find products and add them to my dropshipping store. So the first thing I do is I just log into Zeek right here. What's cool about Zeek is that they give you many different ways to find products. I'll show you just some of them, but I don't even have time in this video to show you all of the different tools that it has. But one of the first ones that I love, or one of the top ones that I love, is right here on the dashboard. When I log in, it actually shows me trending eBay products right here. So this actually identifies for you products that other people are successfully dropshipping onto eBay. And you can just see how well it's doing. So this cookbook right here, I mean, who would have known a cookbook, right? Never something I would have thought of. But as I can see, over the past 7 days, this is sold 3 times. In total, since it's been listed, it sold 17 times. And that's for a profit of $6.22. So if I sell this 3 times a week for $6 profit, and I have like 10 of those items in my store, you can see how this can quickly add up, especially since it's so automated. And if I wanted to sell this myself, all I had to do is click right here, and that would actually find the product on Amazon for me. We also have some other food items in here. Like this one has $3.59 profit. This one has $3.50 profit. Here we have some copper coupling fittings. This is sold 4 times in the past week, 12 times in total, for about a $3.42 profit. And I could actually change this up here. I could say, hey, I actually want to drop ship from Walmart to eBay, and they'll give me some Walmart to eBay items that are doing well. Like this one right here. This is a Paw Patrol bumper car, sold 2 times in the past week for a $7 profit. And I can click on this and go right over to Walmart. And what I love about Zeek is that it doesn't just give you the total sales data. Like it doesn't just say, hey, this sold 2 times in total. It tells you when those items sold. And that's really important because you want items that are hot and selling right now. If this item sold twice, but it sold twice a year ago, that's not very helpful because that means this item was popular once, but isn't popular anymore. So I want items that are popular now. So that's one of the tools I like. One of my favorite tools, though, is this one right here. It's a trending dropshippers section. So this actually finds for you other sellers on eBay that are dropshipping very, very well. And you can actually look and copy all of the items that they're selling. So for instance, this seller right here has done over $27,000 in sales in the past month. And what I can do is I can click on this button right here. That will scan their store and show me all of the items they're selling and their top items. So for instance, scrolling down here, I can see their top item is this pillow protector for queen and standard size pillows. They also sell a lot of condoms apparently, and mason jars. They're doing really well selling mason jars. And coming over here, I can see that over the past 7 days, this is sold 3 times. Over the past 14 days, this is sold 5 times. And over the past 30 days, this is sold 24 times. There's no other way to see a breakdown like this except on Zeek, which I really, really love. There, you can see it there. 3 times, 5 times, and 24 times. So I know that this item is popular right now. It's selling this month. It's selling this week. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find this on my supplier's website. No matter what supplier you are using, you want to try to find something similar. It doesn't have to be the exact same thing though. That's the key. You don't have to be or even want to be selling the exact same product. You want to be introducing a new product that's very similar to the one that you know is doing well. So I just came over to Walmart, I did a quick search, and I found these right here. A set of mason jars, again, not the exact same one, but similar enough. And it's the right count, 12 count, 16 ounce, so very, very similar. So now I know that these do well. So what I want to do is I actually want to list them into my own store on eBay. So to do this, it's very simple using AutoDS. All I'm going to do is copy down this URL, and then I'll head on over to AutoDS, and I'll click where it says Add Single Product. I'll select the store I want to sell this into because I can use this to sell on eBay, on TikTok Shop, on Shopify, on Amazon. It's an all-in-one system, which is really cool. But for now, we're just doing eBay. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Click on Next. I'll go ahead and paste in that URL and click on the orange button. That will then grab all of the details from Walmart and bring them in here, so I don't have to do this myself. So now over here, I can see that it brought in the title for me. That's something I would definitely spend a few minutes changing up. This title on Walmart is optimized for Walmart. It is not optimized for eBay. So I would spend a few minutes just optimizing it. And luckily inside of Zeek, over here on the left is a title builder that actually can help you build out titles based on different keywords that are popular and doing well on eBay. So that's something I would definitely spend a few moments doing. But other than that, it's pretty easy because it automatically adds tags, it automatically creates a shipping method, it automatically brings in the right policy. Down here is the stock monitoring, the price monitoring, and the auto ordering. So what that's going to do is if the price or stock level changes, it goes out of stock on Walmart, that will automatically be updated on eBay for you. And if someone orders the item from you on eBay, AutoDS will order it from Walmart for you and ship it directly to your customer. It is AutoDS linked up, connected with your eBay account, so it's able to see every time you get an order. So really, really powerful stuff, fully automated for you, allowing you to just set up this business, add some products to it, and let the software pretty much take care of the rest. Now, like I said, if you want to learn more about the software you use, grab that free guide. It's the link in the description down below. And inside of that will be a link to both Zeek and AutoDS that will allow you to get signed up for either a free trial or like a $1 trial. So definitely check those out. Now, the final step of this, the customer gets it and it's in a Walmart box. What happens there? Well, fortunately, from my experience, customers just do not care. They don't care that it came in a Walmart box or that it came in an Amazon box. I think a lot of people realize that people selling on eBay are resellers. And so they're reusing boxes that they either have around or from deliveries that they have received. So very, 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 very few customers have ever complained about this, especially considering the fact that neither Amazon or eBay includes the price in the box. There's no receipts in boxes anymore when you buy stuff online. All the receipts are emailed to you. So it's not like the customer is going to see the original price inside of the box. So it's really not something to worry about. So there you go. That's how to set up a fully automated eBay dropshipping business for this year, for next year. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this on how to get started with dropshipping. And then I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.